Hey, YouTube. Second job here, reviewing my LG refrigerator with linear compression. This refrigerator is pretty nice and not very cheap, but it is worth all the money because I have a surface that is non-fingerproof smudging, so kids can come in and they won't be able to leave their little marks behind, including adults. Doing too much cooking with flour on your hand, with grease on your hand, you won't be able to smudge this thing up pretty good because it's actually pretty well surfaced, I guess is the word. So there's only one surface to lay any kind of magnets. That's this surface here, as you can see. Some things there. And it's pretty spacious. I don't know the cubic inches. I'll probably put it in the description. But for the most part, you can see there's some drawers for, I'll show you those in a second, for wine and beverages and fruits and vegetables, different temperature settings, and at the bottom is a freezer, of course, with different, there's different, what do you call those things? Drawers. Okay, let's take a look on the inside here. So this is the inside. Different compartments here, compartments there. Space, some space plus ice system, which I'll show you in a second. There's a shelf there. I emptied it for a reason. I'll show you in a minute. There's some juices, and there's some prepared meals that we've had in the house here. Oh, look at that, a little bit of bubbly. More little Chick-fil-A. What the hell? I've been looking for that for a while now. Okay, let me take this out because I've been looking for this. Oh, that's my new AT&T remote for Uverse. I guess I'll do a video on that. It's actually one that's brand new. Looks totally different from the other one. All right, get that out of there. So anyway, you have fresh air filter. Kind of, you hear the alarm system going off? Kind of new for some refrigerators because you have onions and stuff like that in there, and it stinks sometimes. So got some good old pot roast, and you have a glide and access system. So you have this little system. Let me check it out. I can push that back and put bigger things here. Fit from here to here. Okay. I'll move it back. 3 drawers. Okay, I'm coming. I'll shut you in a minute. You got beautiful lighting. And you guys keep putting remotes in a damn refrigerator? Okay, here we go. Refrigerator. Another brand new remote that I got for another electronic deal. So another remote looks like from my Vizio. So I get that out of the refrigerator because we've been looking for it, and I found it. Fruits and vegetables, more lights. Here's a code saver function in the side here. I'll show you that in a second. But this is a little feature that I'll show you in a second. It's pretty neat. And what sold me in the refrigerator was these little drawers here, little package drawers. You can put stuff in here, packets of ginger, stuff like that, or any things you get from like a sushi place. And there's this drawer number 2 I was telling you about. I'll show you that in a second. Let me close this up because she's fussing. But here's how you change the water filter. It's right there. Just pull this out, unscrew it, screw it back in, and place it back in there. And you get your water, fresh water again. So let me close her up. Top part, of course. So here's the drawer where you can put meats with a temperature there. I gotta hold it because it's gonna fly back and close. You have your temperature for cold drinks, which I had my ginger ale in. Your deli meats, chilled wine, and you can also lock it. And here's the temperature select lock. Hold it for 3 seconds and it tells you what it'll lock it in there. And you can see it's pretty spacious, the drawer. Okay. And here's the deep freezer component, which actually is pretty deep. You can see the little ridges there. But you have one drawer that's pretty deep. And you see the word there is this pull-out drawer. Some labeled foods in there, labeled foods. It's pretty deep. I'll show you the top of this. The actual word linear compressor is some kind of energy loss feature that refrigerators, energy loss period that I guess happened, and the engineers discovered it was an issue. So they put some linear compression, something that goes back and forth to save energy. So you have on here an ice maker. I can crush the ice. I have a temperature setting, 133. Freezer. Fresh air filter. Ice Plus, which makes more ice than I really need. Water filter with a light and a door alarm. You just heard the door alarm. So here's actually the actual water. You can tell we drink a lot of water here. You press that for ice and you press the top plate and you get some water. Let's go look at the ice maker because it's awesome. And here's your ice maker. See this little button here? Open, close. There's your ice. It's a regular tray. It's currently on. And it's followed instructions. You look at that, how it works. It actually just pours the water from here into these little bitty trays. Little bitty trays there. You look hard, you can see a tray in there. It's kind of frosted up now. And they fall like regular trays. And this whole thing comes out. You lift up. Peace, baby. You lift up and you take it out for a party. You can put it back in. You hit press Ice Plus, and the ice continues to flow and flow for your party if you haven't run out to get any ice. There are some instructions on that if you need to see. Okay, I'm coming. Shut up. I'm showing somebody your features. Shut it. So I'm going to close this back. As you can see, the ice maker. We bought this because the other ice maker, the other refrigerator just went kaput. Put this thing back. As you can see it some more. There's the refrigerator with the beautiful lights up here. Shut up! Beautiful lights there. Really don't need that. Not needed at all because you have that. If that doesn't work, then you drink that. And that'll work. So, second job signing off. As always, subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Share the video. Put it in your playlist. Play it over and over again. I appreciate it. Have a good day. Leave a comment if you like. Thank you.